wheels. Nice, a pickup truck with a machine gun. Too bad it's empty.
Thanks. What do we have here? Oh shit! Excellent.
Can't go any further until we lower that barrier.
Tough bastard. Nice. Might come in handy. I'll take that. I will take you down. Die again.
Look, a whole bunch of whiskey crates. Watch my back, go and get a few bottles.
Cover me. I need help. I got you. Enter the world of pain. Are you hungry? Cover me. Easy prey. Cover me. Help me. Next one.
What do you want?
I need to see T.N.T.
This is a private party, so buzz off.
Oh man, that's what I call critical supplies.
I am the new supply man. I got some booze.
Woohoo! Good news! Come on then!
Hand over the crate to the barman.
I need to see T.N.T.
I think T.N.T. is enjoying the view on the terrace.
Thanks.
Hey, barman! Power's down again! Fix it fast! We want to party!
I say live and let live. The zombies are always welcome. Do they have the same rights as we humans? Are they different, or are we?
You're T.N.T., aren't you?
Oh, yes, indeed I am. And you are?
Name's Kyle. I'm with the Resistance. I'm looking for a big red zombie body.
Okay, Miss Sinister. I've heard some rumors. Suspicious men were seen near Warehouse 224. That's all I know.
This better be good, T.N.T. You don't want me to come back.
Yes, zombie alert! If you'll excuse me. Somebody help!
What an idiot.